Hi guys, so today we have the Poco X8 Pro Max unboxing for you guys. So I got the black variant in 256 gigs. So as you can see, this is the bottom of the box, the side, nothing on the top. On the left side you have Poco X8 Pro Max with your favorite Google apps. Okay, so I have my small pen knife here with me. Okay, gonna do a quick unboxing for you guys. Don't really see people doing black color. Usually they always show the white color. So those of you guys looking for the black one, maybe you can see if it looks good. Okay, slide the box out. Okay, so you're greeted with a Poco box, small box over here. I think it comes with the SIM card ejector over here, some quick start guide, safety information, as well as a black silicone case. So I believe this case only comes for the black variant, so the other colors will have a clear silicone case, but for the black model you have a black or gray silicone case, which is matte, which I like it. Next up we have the phone itself. We will leave the phone to the side, check out what's inside the box first. So you can see this is a USB-A to USB-C charger, as well as you have a 100-watt USB-A charger. Then we'll move on to the Poco X8 Pro Max. So featuring Dimensity 9500, 8500 mAh battery, 100-watt hypercharge, 6.83-inch screen with 120Hz AMOLED display, and 50 megapixel main camera. So we'll take it out from the plastic itself. So as you can see from the back, it's a very simple design, just a simple black finish on the back. There's a little bit of a shimmer. The two cameras, I believe this is the main 50 megapixel camera. This is a secondary one. I'm not sure if it's an ultra wide or 2x. I believe should be ultra wide. There seems to be two flash on the side here as well. Okay, Poco logo, small one over there. On the right side you have the volume button, as well as the power button with a red accent, which looks pretty good. On the top you got a speaker as well as a microphone. On the left side it's completely empty. On the bottom you have a SIM card ejector, a USB-C charging port, as well as another speaker. So it's I believe it should be a dual speaker. And on the front itself, that 6.83-inch screen. Gonna power it on, and I'm also going to put on the case for you guys to see how it looks like. Just slide the case in. Okay, so this is how it looks like with the case itself. Very simple, clean looking phone. And this is the screen itself. Minimal bezels, and also with the hole punch design with Xiaomi HyperOS 3. Yep, that's it for the review, guys.